Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is solve the following. 1,760,000 divided by 200 is what value? We can write this as 1,760,000 divided by 200. Now cancel out this 2 zeros and divide 1760 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. Move this 6 down. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Move this 0 down. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So it is 800. Here we have 17,600 is there. So one more 0 will be there. So 0 divided by 2 is 0 again. Means it is 8,800. Hence 1,760,000 divided by 200 gives 8,800.